Hi, this is Divya, Assistant Professor Biomedical Engineering Department in SNS College of Technology. In this video, we are going to see about computer tomography. What is computer tomography? What are the principles followed in the tomography, and what are the history, and why we need to go for a tomography, computer tomography, and what are the principles to be followed in this tomography we'll be seeing in this video. Okay, what is the tomographic principle? First, introduction. The word tomography is derived from two Greek words. Okay, the word tomography is derived from two Greek words, tomo, which means slice, and graphia, which means describing. Okay, the word tomography is derived from the two Greek words tomo and graphia. Tomo, which means slices, okay, and graphia, which means describing. So the tomography is describing of slices by imaging it. Generally, tomography is a describing of slices. The slices will be described by imaging it, by in the form of images. Okay, tomography is a radiographic technique that selects a level in the body and blurs out structures below and above that plane, leaving a clear image of its selected anatomy. Okay, tomography is a radiographic technique that selects a part in a body which is to be scanned. Right, tomographic principle is a radiographic technique. It will select a part which is to be scanned, and the other parts, if for example, if the intestine is to be scanned, the lungs and the abdomen part, okay, will be blurred out, and only the clear images of the selected intestine will be cleared will be selected, and the images will be very clear. Okay, tomography concentrated with layers rather than planes. Okay, tomography concerned with layer by layer process will be done, rather than planes. It is a XY plane we have, right? Instead of that, it will go for layer by layer imaging position. Okay, tomography is derived from the two Greek words tomo and graphia. Tomo means slices, and graphia is what is about describing. So tomography is describing of slices by imaging it. Okay, tomography is a radiographic technique, as I told you already. It will select only the part which is to be scanned, and another remaining parts will be blurred out. The selected part will have a clear imaging. Okay, the tomography concerned with the layer parts rather than the planes. Next, need of tomography. Why do we need tomography? Okay, why do we go for tomography? As we know that tomography records cross-sectional images of selected layer. In the image, in the apple image which I have given, you can see that it will be in the form of slices, right? Layers, layer by layer. This is how the CT process will be done. Okay, as we know that tomography records cross-sectional images of selected layer. So by using tomography, we can evaluate the abnormalities of that cross-section, that is usually superimposed by the underlying and overlying structures in general radiographies. Okay, in general radiography, we can identify all the parts in the scan, right? Specifically in tomography, we can see only the selected layer which is to be scanned, and other layers, upper lying layers and the lower lying layers, will be superimposed. Okay, for upper lying layers and lower lying layers will be superimposed for other kind of X-rays, in the sense like other kind of radiographies, but the tomographic specifically generates only the abnormalities which is to be identified in the particular area which is to be scanned. Okay, if we want to see the debris of potato, we have to cut it into different slices. Same in tomography, we want to see any underlying abnormalities, that we have to image the cut section. Okay, for example, if you want to find anything in the potatoes, debris in the potatoes, we have to slice it, right? Likewise, the abnormalities to be identified in the tomography will be done by the slices, cross-sectional images. Okay, this is the need for tomography and the introduction for tomography. Thank you.